guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna show you my Omkareshwar vlog, and when I went to Omkareshwar, well, it was a good trip, and after a long time I'm posting a YouTube video because since few months back I had exams and I was really busy in that. So here we are started with the road, and it's really greenery near it, and it was a wonderful time having on the road. Well, way to the Omkareshwar is from between the villages and from between two ghats. Especially I loved the ghats because they had greenery all over and they were so beautiful. Well, I loved the roadway because it was good and they were all village cultures also you can see on the road. So now the ghat section has started, my favorite part of every trip wherever there are ghats, and you can see it is surrounded by trees very beautifully, and the turnings are especially my favorite. So one of my favorite rivers has arrived, and this is River Narmada, which is flowing from here. It's very beautiful and very big, and there you can see a bridge. So many people make a wish and then throw coins in river, and we also did the same. And there you can see lots of boats parked, and you can do boating too. This is the another side of the river. So finally we reached Omkareshwar, and there you can see a dam. So we'll see the dam afterwards, and we are taking a U-turn. So we have parked our car, and now we are walking down the way to see the river. So before seeing the river, there are small shops which sell the cultural things of India, and they are really beautiful. So near me you can see there are shops selling different things, and even some of the things I also don't know. So half of the things here are related to God. They sell things related to God to worship Him. So you can see these are the shops, and now we are gonna move down ways. But before we are gonna buy something from here. So on my right side you can see statue of God, and on the left side you can see drums. So from Omkareshwar we are buying this necklace, The sellers are saying this is Ratlami necklace, and here you can buy different things like anklets, necklace, and bangles. So they have a variety of collection. So here there are shops which are also selling these hats, and you can see a cow in front of me too. This is Pravesh Dwar, and here there are many shops. So this is River Narmada, and it's flowing here, and it's very beautiful. So here I'm gonna show you steamer boat, and it's moving in water, and it's looking very beautiful actually, and of different colors. So these are steps to go to River Narmada, and you can see there are sellers sitting on the steps too. And this is coconut and the things that you worship to River Narmada, and you can see some bottles which people use to fill up their bottles with River Narmada. And there is dam built behind it, and you can see me walking down the way. So see, there are many boats parked here and a lot of people too. So there you can hire a guide to tell you about River Narmada, or there are even people who take you on boat and they tell about the Omkareshwar and about the things here. So we have reached at River Narmada, and today it's high flow. And the water of River Narmada is crystal clear, and you can see it's really clean, and there's a dam behind too. So let me make you guys hear the sound of boats and water, which is a bit loud but it feels good. But the sound of boats here are a bit loud, and you can see there are people and boats who are enjoying in water. So now we are going on a boat ride, and I have also taken bath in River Narmada. So now we're gonna row in our boat, and we have started with the boat, and you can see there is a really high flow. So this is the bridge so that you can cross to next side, and upper side there are temples located of Lord Shiva and many other gods, but mainly here Lord Shiva is worshipped more. And you can see a lot of boats, and the scenic beauty is really very appreciating. So this is the main temple of Omkareshwar. You can either go here by boats or even you can use the bridge. So our boat's first stop will be coming soon, and there we are gonna go to temple and worship the god. And it's all covered with hills around it, and on the hills there are many temples up there. Even I don't know how many temples are located, because if you see them from far distance, so you can see so many temples. And till the temples there are boats going, so you can either have halfway ride of boat or full way. So we took the full way, but we did parikrama, so you can either do parikrama by boat or by walking. But as it was evening and we had to return back, so we took a boat parikrama. So you can see the sun shining bright from it behind, but it's sunset and the sun is shimmering on the water. So we have reached to our stop where we are gonna see the temple. So as you can see, now we can see the wonderful view from up, and the sunset is the most beautiful thing. And now there are stairs going upwards to the temple, and again here you can see the shops. So from one end to the next end we came here, and you can see there are a lot of people. So here there are multiple gods. So on the way to temple you can see garland sellers and fish food sellers. So this is the entrance of the temple, and here it starts. So there are a lot of gods located at a little distance. So at once you can pray to every god. So now we are gonna get back to our boat and go to the next stop. So here in evenings the water flow is very high, so it's difficult to operate boats here for the boaters. And you can also see here the flow of river. It's really touching the boat, and if you put your hand down way, so you can feel the cold water. So as it is winter, so it will get dark very soon. So now only you can see it's getting a little bit dark. And whenever it gets dark, there are dam lights on. So you can see colorful lights on the dams, and their lights are also shimmering on the water. So there is a siren which rings after the boating is done. So here our boating is done and the flow of water is really high and it is really difficult to handle it. So this is the temple. It's not the main temple, and here you can see the view of Omkareshwar. This is whole Omkareshwar. And we came back to Omkareshwar after our first day. And as I told you, you can go from bridge to the main temple, and we are going to the main temple as few days ago we did boating. So we returned that day and this is a new day, but we came here after 1 week again. So here again there are small shops who sell garlands or anything related to God, which you can worship him in the temple. So these shops come when you are going towards the temple, and a lot of people sell here things. So you can see there are shops full of things and they are really good. So this is the temple, you can see, and this is the view from temple. So you can see here we are on the bridge. So inside one bridge there is another two, and this is the temple. Yeah, I'm tossing the coin, and this is also same as when you toss the coin in the river. So you have to make a wish and then you can toss a coin. And here we are going back from the temple and you can see beautiful lighting. So it's a little tough to see here, but it's dark and there aren't any pole lights here. So this was it for this Omkareshwar vlog. We really enjoyed in Omkareshwar and this is my must visit place. Also meet you guys in the next vlog. Thanks for watching.